Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can fix my AI not showing up on Snapchat. So let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is just go to your chat. So sometimes this my AI won't be showing over here. So what you can do is just go to your search button and search for my AI. And then go to the conversation of my AI and then go to the profile of my AI. Then over here on your top right corner you'll be having the option which says free button. Then a little down you'll find this chat settings option, and here will be a lot of options. So as you want to have your AI showing up in your chat, what you can do is just go to with this pin conversation option. Just press it. If you see now it says it has already been, and if you press it again it will unpin the conversation. So now just go to your chats and the conversation will be on your top. So that's how you can fix it, guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any query, just comment down below, guys. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.